Biased political forces seek to escalate the tension in Venezuela. The radical opposition in Venezuela reacts once again with violent methods of confrontation. A coup within a coup, one of the most flagrant violations of international law. This will bring consequences of which Venezuela is the epicenter. It is a clear violation of the sovereignty of Venezuelans' territory and the human rights of those people who were within the endorsement of Venezuelan government. We also have to talk about the resistance of an anti-group, of anti-war group. Today, this is critical moves. Let's see the most relevant fact of the day. Let's go. Let's see a brief summary of what happened. Yesterday, Thursday 16, New York police erupted suddenly into the diplomatic set of Venezuela, as if they were criminals. A group of heavily armed forces went into the diplomatic section. They arrested them and pulled them out. They were the embassy protection group that resisted inside the building for 37 days in defense of Venezuelan sovereignty. Last week, water and electricity services had been cut off, and food and medicine supplies had also been impeded. The day before, they received the visit of Reverend Jesse Jackson, a prominent human rights activist in the United States. Around the embassy, there was a group of supporters of the self-proclaimed President Juan Guaidó, who were shouting insults through the loudspeaker. They also had loud noises and lights to weaken the four human activists. Soon after this happened, the Minister of Foreign Relations, Jorge Arreaza, said that the Venezuelan is evaluating their response, always observing international law and fostering the recognized principle of reciprocity. President Nicolás Maduro said the following: Donald Trump has violated the Venezuelan embassy in Washington. And he is responsible, under the light of international law, for a grave violation. It is not only legal, but also a moral violation. Today I saw Reverend Jesse Jackson in front of the embassy. He was raising his voice and denouncing these incidents to the world. Jesse Jackson, thank you for your demonstration of courage, of moral. I want to greet from here, on behalf of the Venezuelan people, we send solidarity, a huge hug of support and thankfulness to those who defend and defended the Venezuelan embassy. We also send them thousands of kisses for your courage. Let's see what the Vienna Convention says about diplomatic conventions, which is in place since 1964, and which applies to the signing countries, among which are Venezuela and the U.S. Well, let's see. Article 22 says the premises of the mission shall be inviolable. The agents of a receiving state may not enter them except with the consent of the head of the mission. In this case, it's Venezuela. The same article says the receiving state is under a special duty to take all appropriate steps to protect the premises of the mission against any intrusion or damage and prevent any disturbance of the peace of the mission or impair its dignity. All premises of the mission and their furnishing and all property are thereon the means of transportation. The mission shall be immune from search, requisition, attachment, or execution. Article 45. If diplomatic relationships are broken off between the two states, or if a mission is permanently or temporarily recalled, the receiving state must, even in case of armed conflict, respect and protect the premises of the mission along with its property and archives. We saw this on May 14th, but it's good to review it, because this is exactly what the Vienna Convention states. Let's see the websites.
Minpress News, el 16 de
Minpress
mayo, ayer,
News.
publicaba quién está detrás de la multitud
They say,
pro-Guaidó
who is behind
que
the pro-Guaidó
asedia
crowd
la
who
embajada de
besieged the
Venezuela en
Venezuelan
Washington,
embassy in
D.C.?
Washington,
Bueno, es de la
D.C.?
autoría de Jeff
Well,
Sprague
this is the
y
author
de
is Jeff
Alexander
Sprague,
Rubinstein, el primer escritor,
and
profesor universitario y
Jeff
miembro
Sprague,
fundador de la
writer,
Red de
university
Estudios
professor, and
Críticos
founding
Global,
member
en el caso
of
de
the Network
Rubinstein,
of Critical
es periodista de
Studies
la
of Global
Minpress y
Capitalization,
cubre
Capitalism.
protestas, movimientos sociales, ataques policiales en Estados Unidos y también ha trabajado para
And
periodistas
Alexander
ingleses.
Rubinstein,
Fíjense que
journalist for the Mint
ambos, en
Press.
este extenso escrito
They
que les
both
estoy
say
mostrando, en este caso en inglés,
what
yo
they
les voy a leer
state
una
is
parte
that
de la traducción, se dedican a describir con
what-
mucho detalle quiénes han estado o
what they
bien dentro del colectivo
detail
La Sede
who
de
was inside
Hostigamiento a
the
favor de
people
Guaidó y Vecchio,
who are in favor
o
of
bien
Guaidó
detrás
and
como
Vecchio, or
operadores
behind the
impulsores.
scene,
En
operating it
el
all.
primer grupo
In the
están
first,
venezolanos
there
exiliados
is a
pro-sanciones y medidas
group of
restrictivas que
pro-sanctioned
benefician de su
Venezuelans
propia patria.
who are
En el
exiled.
segundo está gente como Moisés Rendón,
And in the second one,
integrante
it's a
del
group like
Hawkins Center
Moses
for Strategic
Rendon,
and
member of the
International
Hawkins
Studies.
Center for
Tiene nexos
Strategic
con
and
la OTAN,
International
contratistas de
Studies.
defensa y
He has
monarquías
ties
del
to
Golfo.
NATO, defense
Otro
contracts,
personaje,
and Gulf
Alejandro
monarchies.
Pérez Barrios, es
Alejandro
empleado del
Pérez
Banco
Barrios,
Mundial,
former
actual gerente
World
senior
Bank
de la
employee
Corporación
and
Financiera
current CEO of
Internacional,
an
y Carlos
international
Ayala
financial
Quintero, estratega de
corporation.
mercadotecnia
Carlos
en
Ayala
el
Quintero,
Banco
marketing
Interamericano de
strategist in the
Desarrollo,
Inter-American
institución
Development Bank,
financiera, ojo, que promueve
financial
austeridad
institution that
neoliberal
promotes the
en el hemisferio, con
neoliberal
conexiones con otro golpista
austerity
venezolano
in the
como Ricardo
hemisphere,
Hausmann.
with
Hay
the
otros más,
connections to a
varios
person
incluso forman una mesa
like
privada de
Ricardo
asesores de
Hausmann.
Trump y Guaidó para el uso de la fuerza militar en
Those are
Venezuela.
who
Lo que yo les he
form the
leído
consulting
es
base for Trump and
una
Guaidó,
cuestión muy sucinta,
the use of
un
military
resumen
force
apenas
in
de
Venezuela.
todo este desarrollo que estoy mostrando en pantalla. Me voy a casa, Telesur,
Let's see
17 de
to
mayo,
Telesur,
es
May
decir, hoy,
17th.
Venezuela celebra contacto entre
Venezuela
representantes
celebrates
políticos en Noruega.
the contact
Dos
between the
cosas
political
casi simultáneas a
representatives
las que
in
me quiero
Norway.
referir.
Almost two simultaneous
Ayer,
things
el
are
líder del
happening.
Ejecutivo
Last night,
venezolano, allí
in
su
Miraflores,
recibió por la noche en
Venezuelan
el Palacio
president
de
received a
Miraflores
group of
integrantes
international
del
group
Grupo Internacional de Contacto, una
of
delegación que
contact,
está integrada
a
por
delegation made up
representantes de
representatives of
gobiernos de
the
Europa y
European and
un
Latin
espacio que se
American
plantea como
governments.
mediador, que está proponiendo el
It is a
diálogo y
space
las
that
elecciones como
promotes a
forma de
dialogue and
resolver
elections
las
as a form of
discrepancias.
resolution of
En
discrepancy.
Noruega,
In
líderes
Norway,
de gobierno y
government
oposición
leaders
se
in opposition
encontraban
need
para
to
iniciar
begin a
una nueva
round of
ronda de diálogos,
dialogues,
algo muy
something
similar a lo que
similar
se
to
dio
what
durante
happened in the
meses en
Dominican
República
Republic,
Dominicana y, como
but was not
sabemos,
able to
no
reach
prosperó
conclusion
porque la derecha
because
cambió
the
la mesa justo
right
unas horas antes,
left the
digamos
table
minutos
hours
antes,
before
estamos
signing the
exagerando,
agreement.
de firmar un acuerdo de consenso. Leo un
I
fragmento
read a
del
fragment of
comunicado
the
en
press
español que
release.
condensa lo importante. Noruega anuncia
Norway
que ha tenido
announces
contactos
that
preliminares
they
con
had
representantes de los
initial
principales
primary
actores políticos de
contact with
Venezuela en una
representatives
fase
of the main
exploratoria,
political
se leyó
actors
el
in
comunicado,
Venezuela
adjunto
in
un
an
tuit de
initial
Delcy
exploratory
Rodríguez,
phase,
vicepresidenta ejecutiva del país. Sigo leyendo esto textual. Con el
with the
objetivo de
objective of
apoyar en
supporting
la búsqueda de
in
una
the seek
solución
to find a
a la
solution
situación del país. Ahí
to the
está
situation of
en
the
inglés,
country.
en su traducción, el primer párrafo dice esto que acabo de leer.
This is what the first
Naciones
paragraph says.
Unidas celebró
United
esta
Nations
nueva
celebrated this
incluso
approximation.
fue admitida, reconocida por Guaidó, aun cuando este dijo que no saldrá del camino aventurero que han emprendido.
Guaidó said
desde
he
el
would
23 de enero
he would
pasado.
not leave his
Bueno,
tracks.
en Washington, D.C., en capital estadounidense, nos
Let's
espera
review
Jorge Gestoso. Jorge, quiero
what
preguntarle
Jorge
cómo han
Gestoso
evolucionado
says
o
from
involucionado,
Washington.
según sea el
Let's
caso,
see
los
what
hechos
has
en estas
happened
últimas horas, qué ha
in
pasado
the
con el
latest
local
hours.
diplomático, con
What
los
happened with the
activistas.
diplomatic office and with the activists.
Bueno, te digo, Lucía, que
Well,
los activistas,
let me tell
en
you,
unos
the
45
activists,
minutos está previsto
in
que se
45
presenten,
minutes,
que los lleven ante un
they will be
juzgado
taken up
para darle cargos,
to a
por lo
judge
menos, al
to state
menos,
charges
de interferencia en la protección
at least of
de
interfering
una
with the
embajada.
protection of an
Los
embassy.
activistas siguen detenidos
The activists
desde
are still
aproximadamente
retained by
el
the
mediodía
police
del día de ayer, que fueron
since
llevados
yesterday midday,
directamente
when they were
desde
taken
la
directly to the police
embajada de
precinct.
Venezuela aquí en Washington a una comisaría, se los llevaron, son 4, se los llevaron
Therefore,
entonces en
they
3
were
vehículos
taken
policiales,
in
uno
police
en
cars,
nombre, las dos mujeres que integraban
the
esos
one man and the other
cuatro,
one,
un
two
tercer
women,
vehículo con uno solo.
and the third vehicle with
Hemos
just
tenido
one.
oportunidad de pasar
We've been
esta
able
mañana por
to
frente a la
pass by
embajada,
the embassy,
sigue
and
acordonada
it is
por la
still
policía,
surrounded
con
by
vallas en el
police
frente, con bastante
and
personal
many personnel
policial y
of the
agentes
police
que le llaman
and agents and
federales
federal
y
agents.
también del servicio secreto. Se han
We also
sacado
see
todo
Secret
tipo
Service
de
agents.
leyendas que estaban desde el
Many
interior.
posters have been
Lo que
removed
es
from
quizás
the
lo más
inside.
importante
I guess
es
what's most important
recordar
is to
que estos
remind everybody
activistas
that these
que
activists
pertenecían al llamado
that-
colectivo para la
that were
protección
from the
de la embajada,
collective
que lo
group of
integraban
protection of the
tres
embassy
organizaciones defensoras precisamente
were made up
de
three
derechos humanos y
organizations.
pacifistas como Code Pink, como Popular
There were
Resistance,
Popular
y
Resistance,
Answer
Code Pink,
Coalition,
and Inside Coalition.
abogaban en esa defensa
They were in the
al entrar en
defense
la embajada donde
of
estuvieron 36
not
días,
letting anybody else
por
getting into the
obtener, como
embassy.
tú decías muy bien, Lucía, en ese inciso, creo que es el inciso C,
And they
de
were-
los tres
they
incisos
upheld
del artículo
one of the-
45 de la Convención de
The
Viena,
Article 45 of the
por buscar
Vienna
una
Convention,
solución para
that
la
they were looking
protección de
for a
esta
solution
sede
to
diplomática
protect
por parte
this,
de un tercer
the
país.
embassy on behalf
Eso
of
era
the
el
citizens.
objetivo. Ellos
That
decían,
was
no
their
vamos
only
a
goal.
ceder hasta que eso
We will
no
not give
se
up
logre.
until
Sin embargo,
that happens.
irrumpieron violando
However,
todos los,
the police
lo que tú
bursted
mencionabas,
in
todos los artículos de la Convención
and
de
violated
Viena,
all
la
international
policía
law,
local,
including
y se los
the
llevaron arrestados.
Vienna Convention,
Pero
and the
esta
people
mañana,
were
justamente
arrested.
en una
However, this
exclusiva de
morning,
Telesur, ustedes escuchaban
we were able
al canciller Jorge
to
Arriaza
listen to
diciendo,
Jorge Arriaza,
nosotros ya tenemos armado,
saying,
digamos,
we already
esa posibilidad.
have a structure
Estados Unidos está
built
de
up
acuerdo en aceptar que sea
of a
Suiza
solution.
quien tome
The
control
U.S. has
de su
accepted
embajada
that
en
Switzerland
Caracas.
be who take
Nosotros hemos
over
propuesto que
their
sea Turquía
embassy in Caracas,
que
and
tome
we
control
decide
de esta
that
embajada
Turkey be the
aquí
one that
en
take over
Washington, y
the
de esa
embassy
forma
in Washington.
quede
And
de
that
alguna
way,
forma neutralizado, que se llaman
the-
secciones de intereses. Bueno,
they
ahora,
would
una vez
neutralize
más,
the
es
situation.
Estados
Well,
Unidos
once again,
el que
it's the
tiene
United States
pendiente
who is
aceptar a que
who
sea Turquía
has the
el
answer still
receptor,
pending
y entonces
to see if
seguimos
they would
pendientes. Por el
accept that
otro lado,
Turkey be
en
the
el día
protector
de
state.
ayer, en la
On
tarde,
the
se
other hand,
presentó
yesterday
frente
in the late hours,
a la embajada de Venezuela del gobierno del presidente Nicolás Maduro, el autoproclamado embajador del autoproclamado presidente, estamos hablando de Carlos
self-proclaimed
Vecchio, diciendo que
foreign
por lo menos
minister
se iba a
passed by
esperar
the
algo
embassy
más antes
of
de
Venezuela,
entrar a
and he
esta
said that he would
embajada.
wait
No
a
se
little bit more
especificó
before
ni
he
cómo, ni
enters the
cuándo, ni
embassy.
por qué,
And he
pero
doesn't,
de
we don't know
alguna forma
why
dejó,
or
establecido de
when,
que
but he
habría
established that
algún
there would be
tiempo
some
entre el
time
momento que
between
ya
the moment
recuperó el control la policía
that
local y
that the
cuál
police
sería el
recovered
próximo paso
control
del
and
autoproclamado
what would be the next
embajador.
steps of the
Lo cierto es
self-proclaimed
que a
ambassador.
nivel general, a nivel
The truth is that in a general level, it is important to say that at an international level, there is a great indignation. There's many protests because, as Reverend Jesse Jackson said, when he arrived to deliver food supplies, we were very close to him, trying to deliver food and water. They had no medicines inside. And nevertheless, the people that support Guaidó and the people who are against Maduro were trying to impede this to happen. And what he said was, what's happening is Washington trying to pull a coup d'etat on Venezuela. It's an abuse of the local laws and international laws. He said, the most dramatic thing of all of this is that it sets up an international precedent of the respect or lack of respect of the laws that govern the relationships among countries. It is not permitted to go into a diplomatic office of a foreign country when you are the host country. So if it was done here, why not? Why can't it be done in another embassy? So we are waiting for the four activists to get their charges. And then until what point is that a solution?
Concretar y tomar entonces el control un tercer
So,
estado como Turquía,
as Arriaza
esa
stated,
embajada y
we're
quede
also
resuelta.
waiting
Entonces,
that
este
third
tema que
countries
está
take over
hoy
the
por hoy y
embassies
hasta
of
ahora
both
en
the
línea.
U.S. and
Jorge,
Venezuela.
gracias. Hasta pronto.
Thank
Ahí
you,
teníamos a Jorge
Jorge.
Gestoso desde Capital Estadounidense haciéndonos un recuento de la actualidad, lo que está ocurriendo
This
en
was
este momento.
Jorge
Nos toca
Gestoso
quedar muy atentos del
summing
destino
up
del local
what happens in
diplomático, que goza
Washington.
de inmunidad e inviolabilidad, principios irrespetados, como ya hemos dicho, del destino de los activistas
And what's going to
estadounidenses en
happen
pro de
with the
derechos humanos y
activists,
de
with
la
the North
soberanía
American
venezolana.
activists
Y
who
bueno,
are inside
en
the
definitiva,
embassy.
seguir viendo el curso de los acontecimientos. Y fíjense ustedes, Jorge decía,
Well,
esto
as
sienta
Jorge
un
said,
precedente.
this sets a
Ciertamente es así,
precedent.
porque aún
Of course
cuando
it
hay en la
does,
línea de tiempo
because
hechos que pudieran considerarse similares,
even if
vamos a ver, porque lo
there are
tenemos en un
incidents that
mapeo,
could be
que son
considered similar,
completamente distintos
but they're
y que
really
se dan en
not.
contextos bastante disímiles a la situación actual en la que se
The
inscribe el caso
situation
venezolano.
is totally
Y
new.
también es importante
And
ver
it's also
cómo dentro de
important
la guerra
to
híbrida que se
see
cierne sobre Venezuela hay un método
how this
que es el de
war
la asfixia
against Venezuela,
diplomática.
there is a
Evaluamos
method,
todo
which is
esto, consultamos a
to
nuestro primer analista, ya
strangle
venimos, primera pausa.
Venezuela. We're going to consult an analyst after this pause.
Golpe continuado en Venezuela, asedio a
continue.
una sede diplomática.
Let's
Segunda
analyze
parte de esta
what
jornada que
happened with
comenzábamos
the
el pasado
intervention
14.
in the U.S.
Desde hace
and the
varios
embassy
años,
of
la Casa
Venezuela.
Blanca y el Departamento de Estado de Estados
From
Unidos
some years
son
now,
protagonistas de una guerra híbrida o multidimensional contra Venezuela.
there has been a
país,
war
recordemos,
against
ubicado
Venezuela.
excepcionalmente en el mapa mundi
Let's
con una
remember
vastedad de
what
recursos
has happened
fósiles,
in the
de
past
reservas
times.
acuáticas, también minerales preciosos. Entre los métodos en
Their
marcha
methods
está uno
that are most
dirigido a
common
asfixiar
is one
diplomáticamente a
to
Venezuela y
strangle
desestimar la legitimidad del actual presidente.
the presidency of Maduro and to legitimize his presidency. Several chapters of the recent history have shown how they tried to asphyxiate Venezuela. The OAS has been taken over to try to overturn Maduro's presidency. At the same time, Michael Pence and they've tried to take over Latin American policies. In this case, it has been a perfect change of presidency of Ecuador, Argentina, and Brazil, who have just changed their presidencies and shifted their political positions. Another thing that has been beneficial has been the last presidency of Chile, who was also an ally of the North. There has been a new forum of South of these leftist governments. At the same time, Donald Trump has had pressure over the European Union, but they have not been able to overturn their position. And he contradicts himself in the international UNASUR. This is they're trying to be a group of rights governments.
Bueno, vamos de una vez a consultar la mirada del doctor Adalberto Santana.
Let's see what Adalberto Santana says. He's an investigator
desde su país.
and
Profesor,
a university professor.
Si se abre una zanja,
Do you
una
think
brecha
that a
difícil de
breach
cerrar, si es así,
that is
en este caso, para
hard to
forjar los
close?
cimientos de qué, viendo toda la violencia?
Sí, muy buenos días,
Yes,
Lucía.
good morning, Lucia.
En efecto,
In fact,
estos acontecimientos
these incidents, recent incidents that have happened in Washington with the invasion of the embassy, obviously affects any type of relationship that existed between the government of Venezuela and the U.S. This has been a rupture of every type of law by taking up an embassy. And according to the Convent of Geneva, that every country is supposed to have. But this has also generated a clear image of what Donald Trump is trying to do by invading an embassy where he cannot do so, according to the international law. This also alerts other countries because anytime that the U.S. so wants to, they could do the same thing in any other embassy. It could be Nicaragua or Cuba or Bolivia or any other Latin American country that does not agree with the Trump policies. They could be submitted to the same thing.
Un diferendo con los Estados Unidos, con el gobierno de Trump, pues serían amenazados
any other country can have the same risk. Do you identify in history any other similar event that has happened in Washington or in Venezuela? Not that I recall. Not that I recall. It was even harder when the U.S. broke relationship with Cuba and the Office for Special Interests. However, both offices were respected. And what happened with the embassy of the U.S. in Havana was still respected. In fact, President Obama opened it again as an embassy because it was totally respected throughout the years. What do we see now is a decomposition of the foreign policy of Trump and all the threats that he has against not only Venezuela, but all of the countries, threatening to not respect their rights.
Professor Adalberto,
there is a first exploratory phase in Norway to establish a dialogue between the opposition and the Venezuelan government. How do you see this? Well, this is a favorable in sense that we might be able to find a solution to this political conflict, especially what we're talking about in Venezuela. Well, Norway has always had a diplomatic role and positive in terms of reaching solutions. Let's remember that Norway also participates very actively with Cuba with the processes of reaching the peace in Colombia.
Montevideo que proponen tanto la República de Uruguay como México.
There are other initiatives between Uruguay and Mexico, and there is another international group of contact which has the endorsement of the European community, who also look for a negotiated solution. On the contrary, we have the Group of Lima that are ultra-conservative governments who respond to the Trump policies. However, this new initiative in Norway, there are the first contacts in a negotiation after this rupture that happened in Dominican Republic, are finding ways to get to the Venezuelan government. This has also created a division in the opposition. On one behalf, we have the people who follow Guaidó and the party of Primera Justicia, who are the most belligerent in the opposition.
cierto tipo de pláticas con el gobierno
and
venezolano.
who oppose to have a dialogue with the Maduro government. As we saw before, we saw a summary of constant intents to strangulate the government of Venezuela. Do you think they've been able to achieve this, or Venezuela has been able to overcome?
Bueno, yo creo que ha mostrado la autoridad
Well,
en la
I think
capacidad
that
del gobierno
Venezuelan government has
de buscar
showed their
soluciones
authority
pacíficas,
and
no enfrentamientos.
finding
La oposición es la que ha
solutions,
buscado la
specific
violencia
solutions,
en esta
and they have
situación,
not looked for
apoyada por el
violence.
gobierno de los Estados Unidos
On the
y los
contrary,
aliados
the
regionales,
U.S.
pero
has
el
pushed
gobierno
for
de
violent
Venezuela, pues,
solutions,
ha
but
dado muestras
the
de madurez,
Venezuelan
ha dado
government
muestras de
has showed
flexibilidad, y yo
maturity
creo que si estas
and civility.
negociaciones
I
que se
think that if
inician y
these
se llevan
negotiations
adelante
that
en Noruega, pues van a
are
mostrar
taking
la
place in
fortaleza que
Norway
tiene el gobierno del
show
presidente Maduro
the strength
para
of
generar
President
un clima de
Maduro's
pacificación
government
y de diálogo
to find
entre las
dialogue
partes. Y también hay que reconocer
and reach
el
consensus
significativo
among parties.
papel que tiene el gobierno de la República del Reino de Noruega.
Muchísimas gracias, profesora Adalberto.
Thank you very much, Professor. It's been so nice having you here. Thank you very much, Lucia. Until next time. This is Professor Alberto Santana from Mexico. Let's see what several international fronts analyze on this. Maybe we could talk about counterparts, and there's a correlationship of forces. This is what we will analyze when we come back.
El otro lado del estudio. Quien ya nos espera del otro lado del estudio, digo mejor, ya venimos.
Pakistani journalist Tariq Ali examines the mass media influence promoted by imperialism. Get access to the analysis of the socio-economic and political life of the whole South America on our screen and platform in English. A critical place committed to the truth to determine the major events that transform the world today. On Monday, only on Telesur.
Documentaries Telesur presents
Golpe continuado en Venezuela, asedio en la sede diplomática, segunda parte. Revisemos muy grosso modo.
Let's review in grosso modo the last moves in the international spectrum. There is an expression of co-relationship of forces, and that several international fronts of dialogue are opened. The geopolitical dimension of the conflict is decisive, and at the same time, it's a signal of the complexity of modern world. In the middle of the week, Secretary of State of the U.S., Mike Pompeo, met with his Russian counterpart, Sergei Lavrov, in Sochi. This was the first visit of the high-ranking official to Russia. Venezuela, escalating tensions in Iran, and in the revision of weapon treaties were among the central topics of the common agenda. About Venezuela, a topic they had discussed in Finland in the biannual summit of the Arctic Council, Pompeo said that it's time that President Maduro left the power. Lavrov said, maintained his states, that he said that you can't take over democracy by force, and you cannot threaten the democracy either. Venezuela is very important for the geopoliticals in the world. Days before, the extreme right, through a representative of the virtual president, Guaido, and who has no recognition in the United Nations, and with small manifestations within the country, he called Craig Fowler the commander of the South, to find strategic help from the U.S. government. This has been expressed like clear demand for intervening Venezuela. Same way, Jair Bolsonaro also has a common agenda with the U.S. These are objectives of subordination toward the American government. They have. Now we have some lines to analyze with our new guests, with a sociologist of Venezuela who lives in Venezuela from 2 years ago. Marco, this is not a battle of ideas. The U.S. tries to reorder political structure in the world. In fact, you cannot understand what happens in Venezuela if we don't understand the world new order and all of the actors that are within the U.S. For example, there was an article saying that there are 3 main fronts in the U.S. Iran, Korea, and Venezuela. But however, none of the 3 fronts are having a positive effect. So they're proving they have difficulty to attain power. He finds that it's cracking, his power is cracking. So who are the counterparts? Russia. So every time that we're talking about Venezuela, we must talk about the United States and what is the message they bring out. We have different messages. You've got the conservative ones like Bolton and Pompeo, and they are more on the military line. And then we have the Trump lines, who's really not thinking of a military intervention, but maybe a negotiation. So there's a balance. I think that we may have expectations. Maybe it's to disorientate people with all of these mixed messages. And maybe it's also because they're not clear on their position. What interpretation can we have of this new phase of dialogue that may open between the opposition government of Venezuela? An initial phase has begun. Well, as Maduro said from the beginning, is that he wants to dialogue. He wants to sit down and talk. So this is contrary to what the U.S. and the opposition says. However, the government is also recognizing the opposition, the existence of the opposition. And they must take. Guaidó is willing to dialogue, but he really doesn't want to dialogue because they just want Maduro out. But there is no way, there is not a position to find a legitimate position. Although they know their position is not strong enough. So I think we cannot separate. We cannot separate both things. We can go to the Norwegian meetings, but we also have to withstand all of the implosions of the U.S., all of the attacks of the U.S. So, and we must take in mind that dialogues take time. And meanwhile, there can be actions to show force on one side or the other. We must understand that there was a step forward. And at the same time, this dialogue is weak because some people want a dialogue and some people don't. Some people don't want to recognize the virtual President Guaidó. Well, if I listen to Guaidó and the mobilization, there were only like 2,000 people. And this is too scarce. Maybe even he can't even keep his leadership. Many news media from the US and Europe are also saying that the coup that Guaidó pushed forward is not working. And they're sort of understanding what's going on. This is a time for decisions. Well, U.S. started a new plan and it didn't work. They saw that the forces are not even, and now there's a sector that wants to go forth with strength. And on the other hand, you have the New York Times, the Post, CNN, who historically have a line against Mr. Trump. And what we see is that Trump is not attaining his objectives, not in Venezuela nor in North Korea, and he has an upcoming election to look forward to. There are many actors, many interests. And at the same time, we have Guaidó 3 months saying that he's a president and he has no power over anything. I would like your reflection on how the U.S. took over the Venezuelan embassy in Washington. Many analysts coincide that there has not ever been another incident such as this in the world.
De tantos días con un gobierno de un país exigiendo reconocimiento de otro que no fue elegido en urnas por nadie, con activistas de Estados Unidos defendiendo la soberanía. Y encontrábamos entre esos ejemplos que
we looked for examples.
La operación Nimrod en Londres, mayo 1980,
in May 1980,
estadounidense a la embajada en Belgrado, antigua Yugoslavia, en 1999,
an embassy in Belgrade,
la embajada de Cuba en Caracas, Venezuela, en abril de 2002, cuando se concretaba el primer golpe de Estado por la derecha y Estados Unidos contra el comandante Hugo Chávez,
en Venezuela,
y la incautación que hizo Australia de documentos confidenciales de Timor Oriental en diciembre de 2013.
And confiscation of some documents in Timor, East Timor. So, can you tell us what the relationship is with what happens? When the United States says that we're going to recognize a country, is because this government, the so-called government, needs recognition. That's why they don't say it's an invasion, it's just an operation. We're not blocking, we're just following the legitimate government. And that's why they went into the embassy. However, this is what we understand from the parallel government. They have no power. We have no power, but that's what they say to the U.S. And since that is their position, the U.S. is alleging that they're not going against the legitimate government. That's why they say it's not intervention, but cooperation. Anybody who has a minimum of understanding says that that's not what, can see that that is not what's happening. Something else that surprises me is the non-reaction of many governments. This happened, but everybody is looking the other way. Well, international news media has decided not to talk about Venezuela. Here we're seeing a power like the North American that is blocking a country, that is closing their bank accounts. They can't export their products. They're freezing their accounts. And on the other hand, we see a total silence on behalf of other countries. Only a couple of countries like Russia are saying something against this. And what worries me is that other countries think this is an exception, that will just happen with Venezuela.
ha hecho las cosas mal y por lo tanto ha llegado a esta conclusión.
However,
no, esta es la fase más avanzada de un
this
intento de golpe de Estado en el
is a
siglo
most
XXI
advanced
para América
stage
Latina.
of a coup
Por lo tanto,
d'etat
digamos,
against Venezuela.
acá el silencio es para
So,
mí la gran complicidad que
the
tiene el gobierno
silence is
norteamericano.
complicit.
Bueno, y Trump, en medio de esos discursos heterogéneos,
And
de esas
Trump, in midst of
contradicciones
these-
o distintas líneas que se dan
of these
dentro
lines,
del Estado profundo estadounidense, tiene allí como
has
dos opciones:
two
o pasar a la
options,
historia,
or
o sea, toma elecciones
go to
dentro de unos meses, o
past the
pasar a la
story.
historia como aquel presidente que impulsó una guerra
Oh,
descarnada y despiadada
as a
contra
president who
Venezuela,
accepts the
o
elections,
aquel
or
que
somebody who
logró,
goes against Venezuela
hallar, digamos,
and starts
una salida
a
pacífica
war
este conflicto.
without finding a
Yo creo
pacific
que él
way
necesita
out.
mostrar que logró algo.
I think he has to
Me
prove that he
parecería extraño es que
was
se
able to
rinda
attain
sin tener
something.
una forma
He
de
can't
presentar
give
una
up.
victoria. Así sea una suerte de empate que puede
It
decir,
doesn't
bueno,
matter if it's a
logramos una
tie,
parte de lo que nos proponíamos,
but he has
y
to
no
demonstrate
abre
that he
un
attained
escenario
something.
que varios
So
plantean que puede
he's
ser un
that interested
pantano.
in opening
Pero
a
por varias
scenario
razones, porque una cosa
of a
es
dialogue.
intentar una acción de fuerza
Sí.
para
But
sacar
it's
un presidente,
different
y otra
to
cosa es
take out a
estabilizar
president
un
by
país.
force.
Y no es tan sencillo, y de hecho los Estados Unidos
And
saben
it's another
de
one.
acciones de fuerza, pero no saben de estabilización de países. Mira
They
el
don't know
cuadro
how
en
to
Libia,
stabilize the
mira
country.
el cuadro en Irak, mira el cuadro en Afganistán. Entonces, tampoco Trump, que no tiene seguridad de que le
Trump,
funcione
who
una
is
acción
not
militar,
sure
tampoco tiene seguridad de que después haya una resolución que más o menos
of
pueda
what will
presentar
happen,
como
so
una
he doesn't
victoria.
know what will be
Entonces,
the
en el fondo,
aftermath of
no
all
es
of
que le
this.
mintieron a Trump y le dijeron, mira, lo de Venezuela puede ser una victoria fácil en tu
So
política exterior.
it's not like
lo
they lied
resolvemos
to
con
Trump,
Guaidó
saying
y
that
un
it's going to
quiebre
be
militar.
an easy
Y de
solution. Just
repente
put
eso no
Guaidó as
sucede,
a president.
empiezan a barajarse los otros
However,
escenarios
you see
y
the other
empieza a haber una
scenarios,
tensión.
and
Trump
there's
se da
this
cuenta que
tension.
puede entrar en un cuadro mucho más
Trump
crítico.
sees that it can
Sus
be a
hombres que están al
critical
frente de las operaciones quieren ese cuadro crítico y ahí empieza
a
digamos,
critical
la
move.
negociación de, bueno,
And
¿hasta
this
dónde
is where
podemos avanzar
we should
para que
suppose,
además no nos
that's
den
where they're
solamente unos
supposed to
votos en Florida
negotiate.
y eso en contraparte tenga un rechazo generalizado?
El canciller Jorge Arriaza, entrevistado más temprano acá
Jorge
mismo en
Arriaza, who
nuestra
was
casa,
interviewed
decía,
previously,
las
said
convenciones son para respetarlas,
that the
es el
conventions are
momento
to
de
be
la
respected,
diplomacia,
and this
al
is
nido
the
de
moment of
torpeza en
diplomacy.
torpeza, y las faltas no pueden ser respondidas con otras faltas.
And we will not do the same
Cuando
as
hacía
they
alusión
did,
a la decisión del presidente Nicolás
because we
Maduro
will
de
not
más bien reforzar la
violate
protección y la seguridad de la
their
embajada de Estados
embassy. On the
Unidos en
contrary,
Caracas.
we will
No vaya a
protect them.
ser que a alguien se le ocurra, movido por la indignación, por la rabia,
So
por la euforia,
he was stopping in
ir
their
a
tracks
atacar,
anybody
por
who
ejemplo.
would
¿Cómo
try to
miras esa
attack the
respuesta que
American
está dando
embassy.
Venezuela?
What do you think of
Yo la
this
veo como
answer?
lógica, en el
Well, I
sentido
think
de
it's
que
logic,
continúa una línea
because
que es la que
he's
plantea el
following
gobierno,
a
digamos. ¿A quién
line
le conviene un escenario que esté desbordado? ¿A
that-
quién le conviene
that is
enfrentamientos callejeros? ¿A quién le conviene
logic.
imágenes que den
Who wants
vuelta al mundo? ¿A
violence?
quién le conviene
Who thinks
conflictos
who's gonna
armados?
take
Al chavismo, no.
anything from
¿Qué le conviene al chavismo? Que ayer este grupo internacional de
Violence.
contacto en el Palacio de Miraflores para debatir acerca de cómo se sale de esta situación.
Chavismo
digamos. Lo
prefers
último
to
que
have
queda
a
es
group of
imagen, lo
contact
último
to
que
find
queda
a
es
solution, a
escenario.
pacific
Digamos,
solution
cuanto
out of this.
menos haya acontecimientos que empiecen, digamos, a generar un clima de violencia, amenaza, mejor para
course.
la salida que está planteando el gobierno.
The
que es
least
dialogar
violence
para
possible,
negociar.
it's gonna
¿Negociar qué?
it's
¿Cómo?
it's
Todavía no se
it's in
sabe,
favor of
pero
the
evidentemente
government to
en una
find
negociación cada
a
parte
solution
tiene que
that helps all
tener
the
un punto que
parties.
no va a ceder y un punto que va a ceder. Es lógico, digamos, ¿no? Digamos. Ahora, si la derecha dice nosotros no cedemos en las
However,
sanciones económicas,
if the right says we
amparado
will
por
not
Estados Unidos,
give
no
in
cedemos
any
en que sin
positions,
Maduro, no se puede,
we will
digamos,
not
avanzar. O sea,
we
solo
will
se
not
avanza
allow
si él se va.
Maduro to
Es muy
keep on being the
difícil el tema de las
president,
negociaciones.
then
Hay que ver qué dicen ahora
it's difficult to
cuando
have a
regresen de
negotiation because they don't want to
o asistir a un desenlace
give in.
en este 2019.
Do you
o
think
la
there's going to
cuestión
be
puede
a
ser
solution in
incluso de mucho más largo
2019,
plazo?
or it might
Yo
take
creo que del lado
longer?
norteamericano
I
tienen
think
su
on
tiempo electoral.
the
Ahora,
American
creo que el
time,
tiempo que avanza
there
es
is
favorable
it's a
al
time of
chavismo, al
election.
gobierno, pero pone a ciertos actores en situación de desesperación.
So this-
un actor desesperado,
this,
porque ve que si pierde,
has
pierde
them
todo,
time
se
compressed,
torna también
and
peligroso.
they need to
Pensemos
have a
acá Voluntad
solution
Popular,
before
que es el partido que
elections.
está, digamos, en términos nacionales más al frente de la ofensiva, no tiene muchas más cartas que jugar, digamos. Ya venía muy golpeado el 2017, ahora
They
digamos,
must
está
understand
jugando el todo por el todo.
That this
Así
is,
mismo pasa con un
they're
hombre
playing it
como
all for
Bolton.
all,
O sea, se están jugando su carrera,
because
su
there's no more time.
puede que caiga, digamos, ¿no?
They've
Como
been
él en
doing
su-
it for a
en su
couple of
lugar ahora
years
que
Quien
ocupa.
está moviendo
without any solutions,
todo esto.
without any
Creo que es
success.
una posibilidad. Este mismo debate se plantea para Irán. Fíjate
The
que
same
ayer salió un
debate
artículo
is
que
going
decía,
on in
Trump
Iran.
está descontento con sus asesores y con Bolton respecto a cómo
And
conducen el tema de
Trump
Irán.
is
Por lo
not
visto, hay
happy
una
with
matriz
his-
que tiene una parte de realidad y una parte de operación
with all of the
mediática,
people
pero que
surrounding him,
evidencia que hay
because he
líneas
has
en
no
tensión.
results.
¿Por qué Trump puso a Bolton? ¿Quién lo presionó? ¿Por qué lo
However,
mantiene
why
ahí?
is Bolton
Bueno, eso es parte,
in
digamos,
in his office? We don't know. That's something to investigate.
Todo eso está sobre la mesa. Ahora, lo que
All
yo
of that is
insisto es,
on the table.
vamos a acercarnos,
What I'm
va a
saying
haber
is
diálogo, esa es la apuesta del
there
gobierno.
is going to
Ahora,
be
mientras eso
dialogue.
pasa,
But
esos
while
para
that
dialogar
happens,
en un punto donde están en situación desfavorable, necesitan acortar distancia.
while
Acortar
that
distancia es
happens,
con acciones que tienen
we
cierto
have to
grado de
get closer.
desesperación, que me parece que no hay que descartarlas.
Y entre ellos una cantidad de contradicciones. Por ejemplo,
And in the
The
midst of
New
this,
York
there's
Times
many
publicaba
contradictions.
el 15 de
New
mayo
York
un
Times
artículo,
published,
firmado por José Ignacio Hernández: Venezuela, una salida exclusivamente electoral es imposible.
he said that
Dice el autor, la propuesta de celebrar
a
elecciones no es una
solution
alternativa
that's
en
merely
Venezuela.
electoral
La
is
pregunta
impossible.
es, ¿o no
So
es
the
si las
question
elecciones
is,
son el mejor método para regresar a la democracia?
aren't elections
Lo
the
son,
best
sino
solution?
¿cuándo es
Are
mejor
they or are they
celebrarlas?
not?
O digo de modo interrogativo, ¿cuándo es mejor celebrarlas? Esto es, la transición a la
And when
democracia
would
debe
this be
comenzar
better?
con la
When would
elección,
it be
o
better
más
to
bien la
hold
salida de
these
Maduro del
elections?
poder debe ser la condición previa a la celebración de las elecciones.
Or is
Esto habla de la
the
postura de
ousting
una
of
buena parte de
Maduro
una
a
facción
condition
de esa
to hold
oposición
these
de esa
elections?
derecha? Y con esto termino.
Hay una parte de la oposición que quiere
There's a
que
part of the
Venezuela exista
opposition
sin Maduro, sin el PSUV y sin el chavismo. Que eso desaparezca, como se aprieta un botón y
that they
desaparece una
want to
parte entera de la
disappear
sociedad,
everything.
todas sus expresiones
Chávez,
políticas,
Maduro,
sus dirigentes. Y otra parte
and
que dice,
everything.
bueno,
And there's
mirá,
another part
el
of
PSUV
society
existe, el chavismo existe,
that says
es más que un gobierno,
Chavismo
encontremos una forma
exists.
de
Let's
ir,
find a
digamos,
way
resolviendo esto. Estoy diciendo
to
parte de la oposición.
find a solution. I'm
Es
talking
una
about
suerte
part
de
of the
reconocimiento
opposition.
del otro como un
That's
actor
part of
político,
recognizing
o pensar al
your
otro como un
enemy,
objetivo bélico.
or
Hay
thinking
algunos
of
que
the
tienen
other
un poco
part
más de lucidez, que
in a
plantean, no,
military
hay que
sense.
reconocer al otro y encontrar un
We have to
punto,
recognize
otros que no.
your counterpart.
Ahora, esa tensión la tienen ellos. Del
No,
lado del
that's-
chavismo está claro que hay un proyecto
that's their problem.
que defender, que
On our
pelear,
behalf, on the
y que hay que
Chavismo,
encontrar una salida que no nos
they've-
conduzca a un
they're trying to look
enfrentamiento
for a
civil, político, militar
pacific
con los Estados
solution.
Unidos. Eso está clarísimo, digamos. Ahora, ese problema lo tiene la oposición.
Now, the
Ahora, si
opposition
no
is
hay
the one that
elecciones,
has the
¿cómo?
problem, this
Porque si
dual
hay
position.
elecciones, pero se va Maduro, o sea, una vez que consumás un golpe de Estado, recién ahí planteas una transición.
On one hand,
Bueno,
there
me
would be a
parece que
coup
no es
d'etat
mucho más
and then
democrático
start
como mecanismo para salir de
elections.
esta situación. Insisto, negociación implica ceder de cada parte.
However, I insist,
Y ahí
negotiating
tenemos
means that
espejos.
both
Estábamos viendo recién lo de
parts
Colombia,
give
digamos.
something.
Colombia tiene paralelismos con esto, con mucha distancia. Pero ¿por qué?
Colombia
Porque hubo un
has
actor que dijo,
something
vamos a negociar
similar
y
to
vamos a
us,
ceder, y otro que plantea que no hay negociación
where there were
posible.
two parties
No
that had
negociación
opposed
posible, igual
interests,
enfrentamiento
but they
en escalada.
both
Lo
They
último
both
que
agreed
queremos
that it
es
was
eso. Me
better
parece que la sociedad
to not
venezolana
escalate
no quiere
a
eso.
conflict,
Me parece que la lectura de muchos es
and
acá
it was
en Venezuela, la
possible to
mayoría de la
reach an
población
agreement.
no quiere tiros, no quiere gente quemada en la calle, no quiere 2017, no quiere 30 de abril.
Personalmente oí a opositores
Personally, I've heard
rechazando lo ocurrido con
people
el
from the
edificio
opposition
diplomático de Venezuela en
that
Washington,
have
porque
been
ahí se
against
mostró,
what
digamos,
happened
una
in the
fachada
Venezuelan
violenta
embassy.
de la oposición y de lo que podrían ser capaces de hacer en Venezuela, puertas adentro.
Because
si
that is
el
only a
golpe se
glimpse
consume
of what the
y
US
termina
could
dándose
do
en el gobierno,
in Venezuela.
uno como el de Guaidó, por ejemplo. Marco, gracias por estar acá con
Thank you,
nosotros
Marco, for being
nuevamente.
with us.
Y vamos de una vez a nuestras ideas conclusivas.
Let's go to our conclusions.
Lo ocurrido con el local diplomático
What
venezolano,
happened
que ha
with
sido
the
como un punto de
Venezuelan
partida de esta
embassy
jugada, es una alerta
has been
a
a
otros
starting point
países
for
del
this
mundo, en
discussion.
especial para aquellos que tengan gobiernos abiertamente contrarios a la
It's
política
important
de
for the
intereses
governments who
de
have
la hegemonía
interests
estadounidense, de la actual administración
different from the
liderada por Donald
U.S.
Trump.
government to
Ha
pay
habido
attention to what happened.
violencia, ha habido
There has been
un
violence
imperio de la fuerza, como decíamos, desesperación en la
and excessive
ofensiva.
use of force,
Medios y comunidad internacional
and
han decidido
international
no hablar,
media
no condenar,
have decided
como
not to
Marco
speak,
Peruggi,
to look the other way.
puertas adentro, en Estados Unidos, tal vez sus asesores,
Inside
los de
the
Trump, le han
US,
dicho
maybe
que
some
podría ser
people
Venezuela
close to Venezuela,
no lo ha sido,
close
no
to
lo está
Venezuela have
haciendo.
spoken
Sigue
to
habiendo
Trump
errores de
saying
cálculo,
that this
no
was
se
not
entiende
a
toda
smart
esta
move.
disputa sin tener en
However,
consideración
we
el
do
pulso
not
geopolítico
understand
internacional y los distintos frentes
everything
que están
without the
abiertos.
context
Se
of
está viendo
the importance of
dificultades de
Venezuela and
Estados Unidos
geopolitical
para imponerse,
reality.
para continuar con su hegemonía,
We
con
see
su
the
poderío,
difficulty
con
of
su
the
influencia.
US
Eso se
in
trasluce
consolidating
en la
their
terrenalidad de los discursos,
strength.
y evidentemente podría abonar a la distensión el acercamiento
And
que se está dando en Noruega, esa fase
The
exploratoria.
dialogues
Sigamos
in
viendo lo que
Norway
ocurre.
might be a
Hasta acá nuestra
solution.
jugada crítica sigue en
Up until
sintonía de
now,
Telesur. Gracias por
Jugada
estar con nosotros.
crítica. Critical moves. Thank you very much.